In this video I'm going to show you how to change your country or your region on your TikTok account. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your TikTok application and then tap on your profile to get on your profile page. And here select this menu, this three lines icon at the top right to select settings and privacy. And here I have to change two different options. First is app language. If your language is different from the language you desired, for example, my default language was Russian, I changed it to English to get English content. And you can change the app language to any you want. And then one more option to change is content preferences. I tap on that, and here you can add video languages, and this option helps TikTok understand what content you prefer to look. I can tap on add language, and here I can select Italiano, for example, tap done, and now I got two languages, English and Italiano, and now TikTok will try to recommend me content on that two specific languages. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.